Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have 2 potatoes right here. We'll go ahead and bake these bad boys up. We're going to load them. Stuff them with these hot links and shrimp with some of that chili right there. So about to make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy this video. This is going to be a short video. I'm going to try to stretch it out as much as I can. I don't know how far I'm going to get with it, but I'm going to make something happen. So I'm going to go ahead and clean these shrimps up. We're going to do our thing. But before we clean these shrimps up, let's go ahead and poke some holes in these potatoes. Okay, so you just want to take your knife or your fork and just, you know what I mean, just poke in there. Just try to get each side. You want to do both potatoes the same way. Just give it a nice poke. Okay, so we poke the holes in there. Now we go add a little bit of oil. And just rub it around. Oil and some salt. I have my oven preheated 400. So we're gonna leave it on there for 1 hour. And rub it around like that. Make sure you get that salt around it. Boom. Like that. And just put it in there for 1 hour, you know. But remember, it depends how big your potato is. You need some nice sized potatoes. So we'll do this, the second one the same way. Okay, so now we go ahead and season up our shrimp real quick. Just a tablespoon. Just a little tablespoon. That's it. Oil right there. I grab it. We'll add a little bit of vegetable oil so it can stay. So what I did with my hot pepper, not hot peppers, but my hot links, I pulled the skin off and I just broke it up. I love shrimp. I ain't gonna lie to you, I love shrimp. So, you know, we keep bags of shrimp on deck and the deep freezer. Okay, so this bad boy is done. You want to open it up like that? Take you a spoon and, you know, get all of that right there. You know, mix it in. With the potatoes done. Okay, so we have two different types of cheese right here. We have mild cheddar cheese that I grated myself, and we also have some Colby Jack cheese. So, we'll go ahead and grab some of this right here. Boom. Start off with the cheese on there. Grab some of these shrimps. Boom. Close. I don't want to mess up the potato. Alright, yeah. You know what? We just gonna put some cheese on the side of that. We'll bring it back together. Like glue. It's gonna bring it back together like glue. Alright. Okay, so I have my I'm the only one that's eating the hot links. The wife don't want no hot links. Okay. Now the spoon and fell. Oh yeah. Just pat it down. Just like so. Got some cheese. Sprinkle that cheese on there. You know what I mean? Just like that. Pat it down. It don't have to be all perfect. Make sure you get it on there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, put it in a pan. It's going back in the oven on 400 for like, into the cheese melt. You know what I mean? Into the cheese melt. Do the same thing with this right here. Put as much cheese as you want on it. Alright. Got my chili. I had a spoon, but it fell on the ground. chili. Yeah. Then we're gonna put some more cheese on top. So that's how it's looking. We're gonna throw this in the oven for about 10 minutes, if that. And we'll get this good food on a nice plate. I just want to show this part right here, because I don't want it to fall apart once I take it out of this and put it on the, set it on the plate, and it might just fall apart. So I just had to show this. And let me know, would y'all stick y'all spoon or y'all fork into this? Let me know. And that's them good Louisiana hot links. So they got a nice little fire to them. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our loaded baked potato. Look at that cheese. We have our Louisiana hot links, colossal shrimps, and chili beans, a can of chili beans. A nice easy recipe for the good family and friends. That's one of them hurt yourself baked potatoes. So I don't want you to hurt yourself, so I'll make one of these. But other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.
Chef hit dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm a chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you mopped it right. Hey. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you mopped it right. 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 Chef hit dice. Yeah, you